Do you know the problem where you have to edit a drain pipe that runs at an arbitrary angle across the floor plan? I'll show you a trick on how to easily solve this with Revit. First, make sure the crop region of the plan is visible. Select the crop region and choose the rotate function. Now left click on the rotation point to move it to the mouse and zoom in on the skewed drain pipe. Click on the axis of the pipe to set the center point. Now you have to be careful not to follow your intuition to rotate the drain pipe to the vertical position. But remember, we are rotating the view. This means we first click in an empty space and then specify where we want to rotate the view to. And now the drain pipe is at a 90-degree angle. Now the editing is a piece of cake and can be done easily with Revit standard tools.